Anora tātou katoa.
So this morning is the first of a series of specials we're running through the year on issues important to Māori. This morning focusing on food. You are your own worst enemy was the topic of the winning Waka Huia haka, performed at the National Kapahaka Competition in 1992.
Yes, it was composed by Kapahaka leader Bub Wehi, and its words are still relevant today. Bub's son Tapeta is the current leader of Te Waka Huia and is using the haka to inspire his own personal health journey.
Tapeta Wehi doesn't want to stop exercising. Now that Matatini, the National Kapahaka contest he trained for, is over.
It's been the same cycle, 20-year cycle for me, or 25 years. Everyone trains and then you lose weight, and then when Matatini is finished, then you just go back to all those bad habits again. And it's kind of been me, not only me, most of Kaihaka, I think.
He's willing to do whatever it takes to stop the cycle.
When you finish Matatini, you kind of go on back to your own families and you have a break. So being in that Matatini sort of role, everyone's there. No, there are still kaihaka out there, and even other rōpū who stay on the waka. There's been a few, inspirational brothers for me.
He dumped bread, butter and sugar from his diet, dropping from 138 to 102 kilograms in the past 9 months. He also trained hard with Te Waka Huia, the Kapahaka team he leads.
Ka hoki ki tērā haka I tito nei e taku pāpā. Ko te ingoa o te haka, ko koe tonu rā tauna Kaipatu e. You are your own destroyer. You are what you eat. Te wāhanga tuatahi, me ki pēnei. Nō mua te tainga mai o tauiwi mā, I nā te pakari o te tinana Māori. That haka kind of keeps ringing in my ears, and it has for a long time. Just last year I started a hauora kaupapa. Had to kind of look at myself a few times and get myself right. And since then, yeah, I've just been on this sort of journey of mine. E hara ko nā kutimana anake, nā tangata o te ao.
Here is Tapeta last year, unfit and unhealthy in Scotland during the Edinburgh Festival his group performed at.
I was just struggling, always used to keep up. Noi kore haere. It wasn't until we came home. It was in the airplane, I couldn't fit the seatbelt. Yeah, ko taka te kapa. And I just said, yeah, ka nui tēnā. It was quite whakamai actually. So when I got home, that's where I started.
Just after Matatini, Tapeta gained 5 kilos and it scared him back into action.
It's been a bit hard for me because I've kind of stayed on the kaupapa since Matatini. Fallen off a few times, but I don't want to fall off. And when Matatini finishes, you're kind of by yourself too. So I just come down here by myself and do some laps around the track.
Tapeta says his excessive weight was the result of bad habits, but he was also struggling with his mum's death and taking over Te Waka Huia from his incomparable dad.
He momo mate te mate momona. So it's kind of going down a dark track too, especially when mum passed away, so there's all that going on, and then just now.
The physical effects of exercise has not only helped Tapeta drop the kilos, it's also strengthened his mental and spiritual health.
Depression, eh? You go down that track, and that's where I was. A bit of depression, locked myself away, hiding away from interviews. But I knew it was in my own hands, I had to fix it. It's not until it actually hits you in the face, then you sort of got to look at yourself, and especially being the leader of Waka Huia, you're out there, and kind of found myself dodging stuff, and interviews I wouldn't do them, and pushing my rangatiri. She was kind of doing it all and just sort of in the background, but now I'm on the charge now, yeah.
Tapeta says he had to change his life, or he would have walked away from leading Te Waka Huia.
That was my last shot at it, I think. Otherwise I would have just probably thrown it in, eh?
What are you realising that's making you feel so emotional?
Just probably about the way I kind of felt, yeah. But, you know, just for all of our men, and not only men, you know, me hikina te manuka. Kia u tātou ki te kakao o te hoi, yeah, me anga whakamua. It's not too late, and ko te mea e whakamataku i au, ka hoki mai tērā tāpeta mōmuna, tērā tāpeta o mua, and mō kua ki e kore au e hoki.
Dr Isaac Warbrick is an expert on Māori male health and exercise. He says there's too much focus on weight when assessing health. Māori need more meaningful measures of health to encourage them to make better lifestyle choices. What will help Tapeta?
Well, first of all, it sounds like he's motivated by his kapahaka, which is awesome. It's not motivated by weight necessarily. And no, he might identify weight as an important thing for him to lose, and fair enough. I think we need to focus on what's important to us, and that should be the motivator.
Isaac says when Māori exercise, they improve their results for longer with support from others.
Why not get his whole kapahaka group involved, you know? That thing that he values a lot, so much so, you know, that it motivates him to make some changes. It needs to be part of it. You know, we're social creatures, we need that social interaction. When we exercise or when we make dietary changes, doing it by ourselves is extremely difficult.
His current research shows Māori men benefit physically from exercising in groups, but more importantly, their overall well-being improves too.
We as Māori, we value our whakapapa, our history, our tūpuna, yet we measure ourselves according to what is dictated to us by a Pākehā system, by a mainstream system. You know, why aren't we measuring ourselves according to a particular tūpuna or according to how we used to be, you know? And if we look back there, we'll be able to get the answers, you know, rather than looking at what a scale dictates what we should be at a particular way.
So is it just about finding your own personal motivation?
And it's just awesome to see, as you know, that there are Māori men, Māori women as well, especially motivated by kapahaka. You know, this is something that's more meaningful than just looking good on the beach during summer. And I think that's what we need to focus on is, you know, what we value. You know, we value whānau, we value whakapapa, we value kapahaka, and these are the things that need to inspire and motivate our lifestyle change. And it needs to be part of our lifestyle change.
Matatini has changed over the years to reflect a healthier lifestyle. It's smoke and alcohol free, fast fatty foods are discouraged, and one Māori health provider wants sugar drinks banned at the next comp.
Not getting younger, but I still want to try and keep up with the young fellas. But now, awesome change, what's happening with Matatini. Yeah, get rid of those bad habits, yeah.
Tapeta was reluctant to talk publicly about his health, but he's regained the strength he needs to lead from the front and encourage others who may be struggling to control their lives.
I've kind of set me up a little program that I don't fall off the waka, try and do something big every month. So I'm getting ready for the Iron Māori at the end of the year, and that's all right. My kaupapa for May is going into just a 10K fun run around here, looking at something in June. That's sort of something I've kind of doing for myself. Yeah, to all the other kaiaka, or to everyone, Māori in general. Yeah, nā, kia kaha